sight fishing redfish down in Dulac, Louisiana. Just an incredible place. Home of many pontoon bridges and beautiful bayous, and also some great marsh. I'm staying at Swamp Man's RV Paradise. I'll have more information on this little campground in the description and a link as well. What follows is one unedited video of a great sight fishing catch of a monster redfish. I hope you enjoy, and more information to come. Thanks for watching.
Oh, there's one. Big one. Big one right there. Come on. We got, oh, big one. Oh, son. They are all over the place. Oh, he's gonna turn me and take me the other way. Good, so we don't mess it all up. This one is too big to keep. Are you kidding me? How strong these fish are. You can hear them behind me busting. I can see them. God, that was right in front of the boat pretty much. He turned on it and popped it. We are going for a ride. Look, there's another one. This little pond is loaded with them. Oh, son. I'll tighten you up, buddy. Might pop me off. God, what a hog. Well over 30 inches. God. Come on. Oh, he turned on me. Jeez. Almost broke me in half. Sight. In the net. Oh, humongous fish. Oh, mud all over him. This is insanity, man. Fella, that was incredible. You are a beast of a fish. All right, take a look at this beauty. That's it. Easily 35 inches. Looking right down his throat. Big, beautiful fish. Thank you. After all that, he still doesn't need any revival. Very good.
What an enjoyable catch, man. It's so fun catching those things, especially standing in the kayak. Again, Swamp Man's RV Paradise, Dulac, Louisiana. I will have more information in the description and a link for the campground as well. Beautiful fish cleaning station right there on the Grand Kayak Bayou. It's so nice at night. You can fish right off that pier, and it's just a fantastic place to camp. Well, time to get some rest and get back at it. Catching over 30 of these things a day. Amen. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you're catching some as well. Take care.